Hello fellow traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Hulisani, Mr. Simple Analysis. I don't complicate things this side, I just keep it simple. So in today's video guys, I'm just going to be analyzing three pairs with you guys. So I'm going to be analyzing NASDAQ, US30 and then GER30. As you know the rule, I start analyzing on the what? On the weekly time frame. So guys, the higher the time frame, the lesser it lies. No? The higher the time frame, the lesser it lies. So I'm marking out my sensitive areas, the areas where the market it respects them. I just come them and do it and reverse or do whatsoever. So guys, the higher the time frame, the lesser it lies. The bigger the time frame, the lesser it lies. So now we're just going. Now because I'm done with plotting my sensitive areas. Now it's time for me to check the trend. Which trend are we in? We're on a downtrend. But when we're on a downtrend, what type of structure are we forming? As you can see, that the first trend line is our resistance trend line, and then this second trend line of ours is our doing what? Is our supporting trend line because it supports. Then this one it resists the market to do what? To cross above or whatsoever. So I've seen I'm on a downtrend, but the structure that I have formed is a falling wedge, and the falling wedge results in some buys. When we have some a falling wedge, that means we'll be going to be looking for what? For some buys. So let's dive more deeper into smaller time frames. So what am I seeing in the daily time frame? So first look at this falling wedge. Ne? Now, ne? As you can see, this upper trend line, this upper trend line, this resistance trend line, it has been respected from here, 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 and then here. That just shows that this trend line is a very respected trend line, or is a strong trend line. The market when it comes to that trend line, it is respected. But now take a look at this current structure that we are in. The current structure, the current price market we are in, it broke our resistance trend line. That just shows us that maybe we have a change in direction, but we just have to wait for some candlestick confirmation and whatsoever that we have to wait on. So on NAS100, now we've broken our falling wedge. That means we are waiting for what? For a retest. After a retest we do what? We buy. After a retest we buy. Our retest, because as you can see, it can be a bullish flag. And take a look at this structure here. Sorry here. This is our double bottom. This is our double bottom, and we have formed a what? An M pattern from there to there, like just like this. And then we are just waiting for what? For a retest, break and a retest. That's what we are waiting for. See? That's what we are waiting for. So let me just delete this and then this. That means on NAS100, I'm still looking for what? For some buys for now. Let's go deeper and deeper for if we want to have some entries. Yeah, this is H4 time frame, so let's focus on this price. Right here we are having, okay, this is my supporting trend line, and then look at this first, second, then we're expecting a what, the third touch. So that means the NAS100 can consolidate and then give us the third touch, and then do what, continue with some buys. And then we can buy from that point right here to there. Take profit 1, then we have take profit 2 right there, and then our last take profit will be right there at that level over there. Then we are done with, okay, let's just go to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, to see what we are seeing on the H1. So if the market decide just to do what, if the market decide to break below, if it goes our trend, and then broke below, we just got, all we gotta do is just to wait, guys, just like this, and then see. First, before you enter a trade, you must have 3 confluences. Like number 1, it break your resistance trend line, your support, and then a candlestick confirmation or a market structure, something that can add up to be your confirmation. Just have 3, then you will see the changes in your what, in your trading. Then after that, we can do what, enter some trade from there to there, and then that's it from NAS100. Let's go to US30. Okay, let's start on the daily time frame. Mark out my zones, my current lowest low, my highest high, my current highest high. I'm just marking the zones, the areas. So NAS100 and US30 and GER30 are more or less the same, guys. This pairs just move like together and together and together. Okay, guys, this is not a wedge. This one, the one that we have formed on US30, this is not a wedge. This is a falling pattern. This is a falling trend which we have formed on US30. So now, if you can see, and if you know the market structures, you can just see this one, this is a bullish flag. This is a bullish flag. We are forming a bullish flag and a bullish flag and a bullish flag. Yeah, let me mark out. I'm seeing this zone area right here. This is a sensitive area zone. So let me just delete. And the bullish flag is a continuation pattern towards the upside, and the bearish flag is a continuation pattern towards the downside. So let's focus more on the current price, on the current level. adjust. Guys, then now what are we seeing on US30 on the 84 time frame? As you can see, this is our first, second, and we're expecting a what? A third touch, and on a third touch we're expecting a what? A buy, because we are coming from our what? From our support. Now if it was coming from our resistance, that means we were going to do what? We were going to sell. Now the H1, adjust. This might be our third touch right now. If I'm taking a look at this one. So that means we're going to buy even US30 from that position right there to right over there, and then yeah, stop loss right below there. Yeah, stop loss right below over there, but I'm not yet fully convinced that this is a buy. I mean, to enter some buys now. Nah, I'm just waiting for it to just to follow my trading plan or my trading goal. It cannot go plan, but yeah, this is what I'm saying. And then if we break above, that means we are going to continue with the mod, with buys. If we break above, but if we break below, then we're just going to wait for a what? For a bearish. That means we are going to wait for a bearish flag or whatsoever. Then we do what? We sell. Now we go to GER30. GER30. Okay. Okay, GER30, I've already analyzed it. Yeah, GER30, I've already analyzed it. Let me just start it on the daily time frame. Okay, as you can see, I told you DXY. Oh, sorry. NAS100, GER30, US30, they kind of like move on the same direction at the same time. You see, this was a falling wedge, and then after a falling wedge, we break, came back, retested, and then continue with a what? With a buy. So now we're expecting a what? A retest, and then a further continuation to what? Towards the upside, pushing towards the upside on GER30. This is GER30. Yeah. So let's just go more deeper into some smaller time frames. Yeah. Even on GER30, I'm expecting a what? A third touch. That this is okay. No, this is my first, my second, and then I'm expecting a what? A third touch right at this point over here. Then after a third touch, I'm going to do what? To buy GER30 to that point. Different take profit areas. TP number 1 right there, TP number 2 right over there, and then TP number 3 will be at that point right over there. And then okay. But for now, I'm just expecting DXY to just drop a little bit, even if it is from this point right here or from here. Just drop a little bit, going for a third touch, then sorry, going for a third touch, then we're gonna enter a sell trade, and then after entering a sell trade, that's it, sell, and then wait for confirmation. Buy. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, to share the video with others, subscribe. This is what we have. This is what I have for you today. NAS100, DXY, and GER30, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you, and I'm out. This is your boy Easy signing out. This is your boy Hulisani, Mr. Simple Analysis.